lot of time design students do not understand the difference between inspiration board and a mood board.
A mood board gives the visual language to your inspiration. A mood board gives the visual language to your inspiration. They have a correlation. It's all that you observe and inspires you. It could not just be one thing. There are a lot of things that can inspire you. So once they start finding a visual space, that's where you transfer that to your mood board. So it kind of becomes into your playing field, is what I call it.
In this particular case study of a desert being the inspiration for a designer, the designer first of all would shortlist the specific visuals of desert that actually inspires her. So there are millions of visuals of desert, and the first job of a designer is to find the right visual of that desert that finally becomes the inspiration. Now, the second steps to move towards creating a mood board is to do research on the desert so that you can understand the basic characteristic of desert and also what kind of visual direction you get in terms of colors, in terms of texture, and also in terms of shape that you're getting out of desert. So to define all those characters, a designer will do first research and then they will do a brainstorming and mind mapping exercise where they would put the right kind of keywords together. Finally, after you get a lot of keywords which are representation of the characteristic of desert, you start looking for visuals which are actually providing you that association with the keyword that you have got. As Arjun is saying, that your inspiration might be desert, but there are a lot of things inside desert which finally becomes your concept. And when you put different images of your concept on a board, it is called as the mood board. So your inspiration was just a picture of desert because that is where your collection started from. So it was a trigger point to start a design process. This is the basic difference between an inspiration board, which has just the images of your inspiration, versus a mood board, which is the visual representation of your concept. For having further clarity on design processes, you can attend the online class, and to know about the schedule, write me at gauravmandaldesign@gmail.com.